Okay, in this lesson, we will do multiplying and dividing fractions. They are much easier than adding or subtracting fractions. Let's start off. This is 2/3 times by 1/5. So what do you do here? Top number, which is numerator, time by numerator, 2 times 1 is 2. Then denominator, time by denominator, which is 15. That's my answer finished. So time them across like this. This time this, this time this. Then in the answer, try to simplify if you can. If you can't, just leave it like this. Let's do the example. Let's say 1/5 times by 9/15. Again, numerator times numerator, which is 9 times 1 is 9. Denominator times denominator, which is 15 times 5, which is 75. Now let's see if you can simplify it. Top number is 9, denominator is 75. I can clearly see 3 goes into both. So divide by 3, which is 3 over, how many 3 makes 75? 3 times 2 is 6, 1 left over, 3 times 5 is 15, answer is 3 over 15. But again, this is your method number 1. If you can work this out this way, or you can try the same question different way. Again, you don't need to do that. If you're happy with this method, that's well and good. If not, then this method, 1/5 times by 9/15. That's method number 2. So here, if you look carefully, 9 and 15, 3 is a common factor. So we can divide by 3, this one and this one. That gives you 1/5 times by 3/5. So then, now numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, that will be 3/25. You don't have to learn this method, but if you enjoy maths, it might be good for you. Let's try other one. Let's try one more question on multiplying fractions. So let's say 7/8 times by 2/9. Again, numerator times numerator, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 9 is 72. They're both even numbers. That means simply 2 can go into them. Divide by 2, half of 14 is 7, half of 72 is 36. That's my answer. Let's now move to mixed numbers. Let's say 1 and 1/2 times by 3 and 1/5. There are mixed numbers here. Now you just can't do 1 times 1 and 2 times 5. That will not give you right answer. So what do you do first step? Convert your mixed number into improper fraction. So 1/2. So 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3/2. So that's how you change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So that gave me this. How I did that? That's here. Then 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16/5. Denominator stays same, times sign. Now, numerator times numerator, 3 times 16 is 18, 2 times 5 is, 48/10. So that will be how much? Now 2 goes into both, divide by 2, that give me 24/5. This is an improper fraction, nothing goes into both 24 and 5. So what we do then? We can convert this into mixed number because this is improper fraction. Top number bigger, bottom number smaller. Numerator is bigger, bottom number is smaller. So how many 5 makes 25? How many 5 makes 24? 4 times 5 is 20. 4 left over to make 24. And that's my answer, 4 and 4/5. Let's go to dividing fractions. Let's say 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 5. So what we use, keep the first one same, k. So this one stays the same, 2/3. Then flip the next one over. So this one is next fraction, which is 1/5. That becomes 5 over 1. Then change the symbol. The divide sign becomes time. Keep, flip, change. KFC. So keep the first one same. Flip the next one over. Change the division sign to times. Now top number times top number. So numerator times numerator, which is 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. And we can't simplify this, but it is an improper fraction. Which fraction this? Improper fraction. Is improper fraction. So what do? We have to convert this into a mixed number. So how many 3 makes 10? 3 times 3 is 9. 1 left over to make 10 over 3. So that's your answer, 3 and 1/3. Let's find the example, guys. Let's say 2 and 5/8 divide by 1 and 1/4. Again, we have to convert them into improper fractions first. You can't just add like when you can do sometime in takeaway and adding fractions, add these numbers, divide. No, in multiplying fractions or dividing fractions, you must convert the mixed number into improper fractions first. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 5 is 21. So 21, bottom number stay the same, 8 stay the same. That's give me this one. I repeat, 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5 is 21 over 8. Similarly here, 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 over 4. So first step, we convert our improper fractions into, mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now we apply our KFC, keep the first one same. Flip the last fraction over. That will be 4 over 5. Then division sign becomes times sign. Change KFC. Sorry guys. Next one is, so now numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. That's 5 times 8 is 40, which is denominator. 21 times 4 will be 84. It's 84 over 40. It is improper fraction, but before we convert our improper fraction into mixed number, we must simplify as much we can. So now let's divide by 2. When you divide by 2, that gives you 42 over 20. We can divide by 2 again, that gives you 21 over 10. So now 21 over 10 is improper fraction, and we can convert into a mixed number. How many 10 makes 20 is 2. What's left over is 1. So 2 and 1/10 will be your answer. Let's do one more question here about dividing fractions. Let's say 3 and 1/4 divide by 2 and 3/5. Again, 3 times 4 plus 1, that gave me 13, denominator same. That's how I converted my mixed number into improper fraction. Now 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Bottom number stays the same, denominator, division sign in the middle. So this gave me this, and this division sign there. Now we have to go to our KFC. Keep the first one same, 13 over 4. Flip the next fraction over. Then change the symbol, division to times. KFC, remember this again and again. So then top number times top number. 13 times 5 is 65, and 13 times 4 will be 52. Now I can simplify, divide by 13, divide by 13. 5 over 4, which is a mixed number. Improper fraction. How many 4 makes 5 is 1. 1 left over 4. Hopefully guys, you learned how to multiply and divide fractions. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and would like to watch more such videos, please subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and press the bell icon.